there, dreamers! Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hello, I'm Jacqueline. Glad to have you. Thank you for being here. Today's a little bit more of a spontaneous video. I'm unboxing a plant that I didn't think was going to arrive at all. This plant has been lost in the mail for 3 weeks. I ordered it with a heat pack, and that's, you know, kind of irrelevant at this point. I don't know what happened with this package. My suspicion is that it got like lodged somewhere on a truck and just out of sight, and I don't know. But anyway, I'm terrified to open this package, so I figured I would do it on camera because why not? By the way, if you're into houseplants and Hoyas in particular, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you around here for more videos. This is what the inside looks like. I am so scared. There's our plant. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I mean, she definitely looks like she's been through something. That's not cute. Let's get it out of here. Which, of course, it looks like cold damage, Jacqueline. It's been in a box for 3 weeks in winter. This is definitely cold damage on both leaves. More so on this little one, thankfully, but you can see pockets of it on this one too. That's kind of sad. I don't really know what else I thought was going to happen in this video other than taking a really sad plant out of that box, but at least it's not like brown and black and dead. I can still try to get this to grow. I'm not sure how successful it will be. This is a Hoya Pottsii, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that at the beginning of this. It is incredibly dry, so I am going to go water this and hopefully revive it. I'm going to put it under a grow light and see if it can acclimate. Here is some footage of the original Pottsii that I was sent. The cold damage has definitely spread, and it has since spread since this footage, but it does have a growth point on that larger leaf at the base, so I am trying to keep it alive for that sake. This is the replacement plant I was sent. This one is much healthier. It's doing very well. I think what happened was the original plant was shipped between Christmas and New Year's, and it just got lost in the shuffle. Here you can see them side by side. This was taken most recently, so you can see the cold damage. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing of a plant gone wrong, of a plant that has been lost in the mail for weeks on end, give me a like down below. What plant have you had lost in the mail? Did you revive it, or is it gone? I would love to know. Let me know in that comment section down below. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.